My name's Jaxson Riddle. I'm from St. George, Utah, and we're out here in Alaska riding some big mountain. So the current setup is a transition TR11, it's our downhill frame, and then we got the Marzocchi Bomber 58 in the front with the new Bomber air shock in the back. So for wheels, I've got the Industry 9 running at 27.5 in the front with the 26 in the rear. It works really well on steep stuff, kind of evens you out and gets you ready for some steep stuff. As far as tires go, I got the Schwalbe Magic Marys. They never have let me down, and yeah, I love that tire. Super grippy, tires are real good on the steep stuff and just mow over the rocks. As far as components go, we got all Deity kit here, got the 50 mil rise bars. Seems pretty good for the steep stuff, and yeah, the T-Mac pedals and Frisco DJ seat's probably my favorite seat of all time. It's big, fat, perfect for tricks, and yeah, good for out here as well. Full Shimano drivetrain and brakes. We got the Shimano XTs, kind of a switch up for me. I usually run the Saints, but trying these guys out, and yeah, they've been super powerful and stop on a dime. Yeah, I've been loving it. It's been sick for the big mountain riding, and yeah, it's been amazing.